Number 1, Extreme Max. Extends up to a 14 inches height. Easily hand-operated using 7/8 socket or wrench, sold separately. Do not use an impact wrench or power drill to operate the lift. Durable rubber padding on platform. Heavy-duty steel frame. 1,100 pounds weight capacity. Will not lift trikes. Number 2, Liftmaster Lift Jack. Solid steel construction in a blue and black powder-coated finish. Simple crank operation. Designed to fit most motorcycle models. For use in the garage, shop, or at the track. 10.6-inch wide deck. Product dimensions, 17.6 x 10.6 inches x 4.5 inches. Minimum heights, 3.25 inches. Maximum heights, 13.25 inches. Weight capacity, 1,100 pounds. Platform dimensions, 16 inches x 10 inches. Number 3, Big Red Powersports Lift Jack. Ideal solution to your motorcycle, snowmobile, ATV, and UTV lifting needs. Features a lifting range of 5-1/8 to January 8, 16, with a 3/4 ton, 1,500 pounds, load capacity. Equipped with 6 locking positions and includes 2 locking swivel casters, a bottle jack, and a pulling bar. Wide load-bearing jack is intended for the powersports enthusiast for maintenance, or even lifting for off-season storage. Powder coat finished exterior provides long-lasting durability. Number 4, Hydraulic Motorcycle ATV Jack. Hydraulic Motorcycle ATV Jack. With rubber saddle pads. Foot pedal operated hydraulic lift. Lift range, 4.5 inches to 14.5 inches. Heavy-duty caster wheels and powder-coated steel frame. Elevate your motorcycle or ATV for minor repairs, oil changes, cleaning and more. The heavy-duty lift has a 1,700 pounds capacity and easy foot pedal operation for lift and release. Lift range, 4.5 inches to 14.5 inches. Welded, safety locks at 9 inches, 12 inches, 14.5 inches. Extension T-handle included, for improved maneuvering. Number 5, Power-Built Lift Garage Jack. Meeting or exceeding all required and standardized testing in the industry. Fit to match the needs on the shop, at home or in the field. Proven and tested for durability and function in real-world conditions. Made to withstand even the toughest jobs. Crafted with the user in mind, using the high-quality materials and world-class craftsmanship. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.